Real estate investing for beginners. You can become a homeowner with just $1 in Europe. Where is it? What do they need? What do you have to prepare to be a homeowner? And what are the catch? And at the end of the videos, I'm gonna tell you how you can get more money for the down payment, closing costs in real estate, or if you don't want to own a home, you just want to travel around the world, I'm going to teach you how you can do that. So let's do it. Go and check out the video of the town that you can buy a house for just $1. Check this out. Only 6,000. A slice of a pizza. Only 6,000. 20,000 renovation in 3 years. You need to do 20,000 in renovation in 3 years. Of course, you need to learn Italian because most people do not speak English over there. They already see 39,000 email. That's quite a lot. Not bad, pretty good. So, what do you think? It's in a town called Sicily in Italy. It's on an island. So we're gonna look at the map where it's located, and let's see if that's attractive for you. Look at that, Sambuca di Sicilia. That is a village, a town on this island, Sicilia Island. It's nearby Tunisia. This is Tunisia, and that this is the mainland Italy. I think there's a road going to the mainland Italy, so you will see some of the towns connected to the mainland are more developed compared to Sardinia. This is also island. You can buy in a village just for $1 in Sardinia as well, but it's totally separated from the mainland island. So less people live there, and Sicily, you can see more people live here. Right here. And if you want to know how it looks like, you can just put a human on this road right here. Oh, look at that. This is sounds like mountainous regions of the town. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, there are houses up there. You will go down the town. This is gonna be a main road, so you can possibly go to the small street. Let's see, let's find a small street right here. Yeah, this is what it looks like, the typical houses, apartments. So they call it house, but I would say it's apartment as an American, you know. Townhomes, maybe they do not have the yard, but you can buy houses for $1. So in the middle of the video, I'm gonna check out the condition of the houses that you can buy with just $1. And why are they selling the houses for $1? Look at that. That's what we're gonna find out. So it's 40 miles west of Palermo. The main capital city is Sicily, Italy. If you look at on the map, Palermo, maybe Palermo is up north, right? This is a Sicilia, and Palermo is right here. Look at that. Palermo is right here. Yeah. So Palermo looks pretty good. You know, it's the capital city of the Sicily island. It's 40 kilometers south. Yeah, 40 kilometers. So let's look at what are the condition of the houses, and also what it's gonna take, how much it costs in closing costs, and stuff like that. And there are lots of Americans buying houses in Sicily, so you will be surprised. So let's look at it.
But in parts of Italy, they are practically giving houses away. Seth Doan traveled to Sicily, where some bargain hunting home buyers are finding a deal with a catch.
It's house hunting for the brave.
The condition is, it's like you can see, it's not the best one.
But Justina Sparka, who's from Poland, came hoping to find a hidden gem.
Italy.
There is a lot of original elements, like flooring.
Flooring is beautiful here.
Yes.
And while some of the decorations or details may not be ideal, at least here the price is right.
$1.
In Musomelli, a hilltop town in the heart of Sicily, houses are selling for €1. Even with an unfavorable exchange rate, that's about $1.20. So far, the city has helped sell about 100 of these houses.
I'd want to go to this house.
Disgusting.
A castle.
And they have 100 more to sell.
We have this house, for example.
The goal is to revive the rundown center of this remote town.
That's another €1 house. This is a €1 house.
€1 house. The 22 is a €1 house.
Another one there.
Yeah, another one.
Tati Negrelli manages the program.
The house become yours, so you can do everything you want with your house. You can sell your house, you can make a shop, you can make a B&B, a hotel.
The fine print, you have to fix it up within 3 years.
If someone owns
That's
this
the
house,
cash.
why would this person sell it for
Why
€1?
would they sell it?
Because in Italy, if you have more than one house, you have to pay
More
a lot
tax.
of taxes.
Money,
So
money.
they prefer to sell houses and not pay taxes.
Yes.
The houses need a lot of work, more than many existing homeowners want or can afford to do. But it's a different calculation for foreigners.
The woman who bought this house lives in the San Francisco area, and she's become a sort of ambassador to this place. Now, a number of her friends and family are buying here too.
We reached some of them by video chat in San Francisco.
Did you all think that you would be homeowners in Sicily?
Never.
In all, Rubia Daniels convinced friends and family to buy 13 homes in Musomelli.
What was the pitch, Rubia?
Good food, good wine, good coffee, good gelato. So it wasn't very hard to convince everybody.
They explained even with about $3,000 in closing costs and tens of thousands in renovation work, it's still a deal.
Imagine we live in the Bay Area where, you know, buying a home is almost out of the question for most people.
Yeah.
Musomelli is one of about a dozen towns across Italy to test this out.
Nice house.
Thank you.
Can we have a look?
Of course.
Go in.
Come in.
And early adopters have become role models. Nina Smiths and
really
Bert von
good.
Bellingham read about the program in Belgium and
After
about a year
renovation,
later
really good.
live here.
Look at the
I found a
beautiful.
lot of things in the house. I recovered them, I cleaned them, and I used them.
How different does it look now from when you first bought it?
It's impossible.
So much better.
Unrecognizable.
Yeah.
They wound up paying a bit more for this place, which has a stunning view, and did almost all of the work themselves.
Just
There
a
weren't
moment.
nightmares of trying to figure things out, buying something, fixing stuff?
No. You got everything here. You got everything, and everybody helps you. Bene.
They say what's important here is the buongiorno they hear from the neighbors, the slower pace and sense of community.
How do you feel here?
Happy. Happy and relaxed. Yes, this is life.
It's a richer life at a much lower cost. For CBS This Morning Saturday, Seth Doan, Musomelli, Italy.
So what do you think? Do you like those houses? Do you dream of living in a $1 house in Europe? Comment down below. In my opinions, if you are a home renovation remodeler, that might be good for you because you know what goes into renovating the house, your remodeled house. But if you know nothing about remodeling, anything, you know, you are not interested in fixing the houses, this may not be for you because lots of work, and you're buying houses in foreign country that you have no idea about. And closing cost is 3,000 plus renovation at least 20,000 within 3 years. So it could cost maybe up to 100,000. There's no maximum on renovation. You can do as much as you want, but you can find everything in the town. As you always say, you want to buy wood, you want to buy construction materials. Yeah, you can buy everything. So now the issue becomes you really like the house, but you cannot afford to pay closing costs. What do you do? I'm going to teach you how you can do that. You can do it by trading stock options, investing in stock. So this week I made about 14th, from October 14 to 17, 5,539. So let's say from October 1st to October 17. So it's only about 2 weeks. So how many days? 20 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 trading days. About 2 weeks, I make over 13,000. So by investing in great companies and trading stock options and advanced options, then you can get the money to pay for it. But once you already made this much money, you're not gonna be bothered with living in remote villages, for $1. You're gonna be enjoy traveling around the world. You see, those villages, the towns in Italy, they want to attract people because their population is going down. And plus, the homeowners, they don't want to pay tax on the house, even though it costs only $1 to sell. Their property values maybe 80,000, 100,000. They are paying taxes on 100,000, the base cost basis. So that's why they are willing to sell it for $1, so that they don't want to pay high tax in Italy. If you own more than one house, you need to pay higher taxes. Of course, there's always reason. So that's why these transactions happens. I know that if I were you, I'm not gonna buy houses. I like freedom. I want to travel around the world. I don't even need to rent out the house. You maybe want to rent out the house to Airbnb, but it's so much trouble for so little return. But I only made 13,000 in 2 weeks. Why would I do that? So what do you think? What's your dream? Comment down below. Are you going to buy the house, or are you going to learn more about stock investing? Call option, put option, advanced option. If you want to learn more, you can go to my Master Rich Stock Option Crypto. Go to playlist. I have advanced option trading, forex trading, bond investing, lots of playlists. My favorite stock, you can watch them and you can learn from me. If you have any question, comment down below. If you want to know what I buy, what I trade, what I profit, you can join my Patreon. The link is gonna be down below as well. Share, subscribe. I will see you